Welcome to our assembly guide for the alternating air mattress pad. In this video, we will provide you with clear step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth and accurate setup. To get started, you'll need 3 essential components: the air pressure pad, the pump, and the inflation tube. Step 1. Begin by carefully unfolding the mattress pad entirely. Be sure that the mattress side with air cell is facing upward with the inflation tube connection points positioned at the foot of the bed. If the mattress pad seems a bit long after unfolding, don't worry. Once it's inflated, it will adjust to the proper size. Any uninflated portion can be securely tucked beneath the mattress, and the mattress weight will help hold the pad in place to prevent any shifting. Step 2. Take the pump. You'll notice the airflow nozzles and the metal hooks at the bottom of the unit. Carefully, unfold the metal hooks and hang the pump securely on the bed frame at the foot of the bed. Make sure it is stable. If your bed doesn't have a footboard or suitable mounting space, you can place the pump on a nearby table or the floor, as long as it's close to the air valves for easy connection. Next, connect the inflation tubes. They may already pre-connected. You can pull it apart for easier handling if needed. Ensure a firm, secure attachment by connecting one end of each tube to the pump's inflating nozzles and the other end to the corresponding air valves on the mattress pad. Double check that both connections are snug and that the air hoses are not kinked, twisted, or tucked under the mattress. Now that the air pad is connected, you're ready to move on. Step 3. Plug the pump into the power outlet and turn it on. The pressure settings range from 1, which is soft, to 5, which is firm. Starting with the firm setting allows the mattress to inflate more quickly and efficiently. In about 10 to 15 minutes, the mattress will be fully inflated and ready for use. Then you'll notice that the air cells are inflating in an alternating pattern. The 2-channel system cycles every 6 minutes, with one set of cells filling while the others deflate, creating a gentle, continuous cycle of support and relief. If you need steady pressure, you can turn on the static mode to pause the alternating cycles and enjoy a stable, supportive surface. After pressing static mode, the light may take up to 6 minutes to turn on, while the pump fully pressurizes both air tubes. Once the static light is on, you can adjust the pressure. In this mode, all air cells remain fully inflated, making caregiving such as feeding or dressing effortless. Finally, remember to turn off the pump and unplug it when it's not in use. We hope you enjoy the new Alcedo alternating pressure mattress pad.